Hi students, how are you all? Yes, here I am with a new topic of English grammar, that is the degrees of comparison, and this video is especially for the students of 7th standard SSC board. Okay, are you ready? Very good. So let's get started without wasting time. So first of all, I will give you some of the examples to understand. Okay, with these example we will understand what is mean by degree. If you want to understand the degrees of comparison, we must understand why we are using the concept that is degree. Okay, so see, what do we see here? Yes, the picture of cat. And how is the cat? The cat is big. We use the adjective that is big. And the word which describes the noun is called as adjective. Okay? See here. The sentence tells us about a cat. And the cat is a noun here. The word which tells about a noun is known as adjective, and adjective tells us about a quality of a person, thing and a place. Big describes the noun, so it's adjective here. This is called as the adjective. Which adjective? Positive degree of comparison. So here big is used as an adjective and it is called as a form of adjective of comparison. Understood? Now next example we will learn here. Oh my god, what do we see here? Tiger. Now next, oh, cute dog. Now see, tiger and dog. So here what we are going to compare? A tiger and a dog. How do we compare now? The tiger is bigger than dog. Okay. So here again adjective is used. This is the different form of adjective. It is not big. It is bigger. The er is added to the positive degree adjective, that is big. Okay. So to compare two things, places or objects, we use what? Comparative degree. What do we call it as? Comparative degree. Okay. So here the tiger and dog is compared. To compare both, adjective degree or adjective bigger is used. This form of adjective is called as comparative degree. Okay boys, do you understand? See here, one of the important things here you have to mind, that in comparative degree only two things, places or persons, can be compared in comparative degree. Okay. Now next here. Next, what do we see here? Yeah, good. Yes, what is it? It is an elephant, tiger, dog and cat. Okay. So, do you know which is the biggest animal of all these animals? Which is? Yes, correct. An elephant is the biggest of all land animals. An elephant is compared with all other animals, and here the adjective form of the biggest is used. It is known as superlative degree. What do we call it as? Superlative degree. So here in the first form we see the form of adjective big. In second, the form of adjective, that is comparative, with er affix bigger. And now here what do we see? The est affix with big in the superlative degree. So what we can conclude from this? Let's see again. See, the cat is big. In this sentence, simple form of adjective is used. This is called as positive degree of adjective. In second example, the tiger is bigger than dog. In the second sentence, to compare two things, bigger, this form of adjective is used. It is known as comparative degree of adjective. And the last example, that is an elephant is the biggest of all land animals. To compare more than two things, persons, places, the form of adjective which is used here, that is the biggest. is known as superlative degree of the adjective. Understand what we can conclude here in all these three sentences? The intensity, the quality of the adjective is being increasing. Okay, big, bigger, biggest. So what do we see? The quality has been increasing continuously. It means that the intensity of the quality is increasing here. Okay, so that is called as degrees of comparison. Understood? Understood? So see now what we conclude. Intensity of the form of adjective increases. Intensity, quality, quantity increase on each step of comparison. Understood? Now, how to form this comparative form of adjective and how to form the superlative form of adjective? The common way to form comparative is to add er to the positive adjective and superlative adding est to the positive adjective. See the table here. In first column positive degree is given, in second comparative degree is given, and third superlative degree is given. Positive degree or positive adjective we can say, that is small. In comparative only er is added, and in superlative only est is added. Small, smaller, smallest. Long, longer, longest. Young, younger, youngest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay. So here what we have done to form the comparative and superlative, we have added er and est respectively to the positive form of adjective. Now next way we will see to form comparative and superlative degree, that is if the positive adjective ends in e, only r and st are to be added here. Okay. See again, if the positive adjective ends in e, only r and st are to be added to form comparative and superlative. See again the table here. Positive, comparative, superlative. Positive, B R A V E, L A R G E, F I N E, N O B L E. So all the words or positive adjectives ends in E. So just we have to add R to form comparative and ST to form superlative. So brave, braver, bravest. Large, larger, largest. Fine, finer, finest. Noble, nobler, noblest. So this is again simple way to form the comparative and superlative degree. Now third way to form comparative and superlative, that we will see, if the positive adjective ends in y and there is consonant before the y, the y will be changed into I before adding er or est. Understood, student, how y changes into I? Relative. See the table. Positive here HAPPY. So PRETTY, MERRY, EASY. So at the last of all the spellings y is there, and before y the consonant sound is there. P, T, R, S. All these are consonant sounds. So if it is there, then before adding ER or EST, y will be changed into I. Okay. So what do we see here? Happier, happiest. Prettier, prettiest. Merrier, merriest. Easier, easiest. Okay. Again, this is very important way to form the comparative and superlative degree. Now next, again important. See, if the positive ends in a single consonant sound and before it, if there is a short vowel, then the consonant sound will be doubled. Okay, before adding er or est. Okay. Now see the example. See, positive HOT, FAT, BIG, THIN. So at these words ends in the T or T, T, G, N sounds, and all these are consonants, and before that O, A, E, E is there, and all are vowel sounds. So the consonant sounds will be double here. So H, O, T, T, E, R, F, A, T, T, E, R, B, I, G, G, E, R, T, H, I, N, N, E, R. So hotter, fatter, bigger, thinner. In the same way, hottest, fattest, biggest and thinnest. Okay. So all the consonant sounds will be doubled. Understood all how to form the comparative and superlative degree? Okay. Very good. Again, one more important thing we have to see here, how to form the comparative and superlative. With the if we find the spelling of word is very lengthy, then what we have to do? We have to use more or most to form comparative and superlative degree. Okay. See, beautiful, if we say beautifuler, if we say difficulter, if we say dangerouser, so it will feel or it will sound odd. So it should not sound odd. So what we have to do to form the comparative? We have to add more before the adjective, positive adjective. So more beautiful, more difficult, more dangerous, more useful. In the same way, in superlative degree or adjective, most beautiful, most difficult, most dangerous, most useful. So why we are adding more or most to form comparative and superlative? It should not sound odd. Okay. So this is one of the important way that we have to keep in mind. But in superlative degree, before most we have to add the, we have to use the article the most beautiful, the most difficult, the most dangerous, the most useful, in this way. Okay, understood? So we have studied here how to form the comparative and superlative adjectives. We have to see in the next video, we have to see how to interchange the positive degree into comparative and comparative degree into superlative, vice versa. Okay, very good. Now see, if you understood this all the things, and if you think that video is very useful to you, then subscribe it, like it, share it to more and more your friends, and do not forget to comment below the comment box. Okay, thank you. Be connected for more videos.